Welcome to another episode of Minnesota Nature. In this week's segment, we journey deep into the woods of northern Minnesota in search of the habitat of the brook trout. Come with us today and step into Minnesota Nature. Hold it steady, stupid! Let me do it! In a sleepy river along Minnesota's north shore, the elusive brook trout hides among the rocks and submerged logs. It waits patiently for a mayfly to pause on the surface of the water, then strikes quickly. What the heck? What is that?
It's a zombie.
Get out of here. Get out there and clear my scene.
It's a zombie.
So, what's your point?
I'm just a cameraman.
Get out there.
Oh, man.
Shoot! Shoot! Stay out of my shot, you worthless piece of human flesh! Welcome to another episode of Minnesota Nature. In this week's segment, we journey deep into the woods of northern Minnesota in search of a rare visitor to these parts, the Easter field dove. Come with us today and step into Minnesota Nature. In a quiet field, not far from the busy streets of Duluth, a solitary figure stands guard. He's a stranger to these woods and cautious about the surroundings. Once he is sure there is no danger, he rests his body in the breeze, gently flapping his wings in the sun. If we listen quietly, we will hear his rare and haunting mating call. Are you kidding me? Are you trying to ruin my career? Do you realize how little I get paid for this shit? I better get back that bird. Now get in there and act like a man. Oh, I guess I have to do everything myself. Welcome to another episode of Minnesota Nature. In this week's segment, we journey deep into the woods of northern Minnesota in search of a rare visitor to these parts, the Easter field dove. Come with us today and step into Minnesota nature.